Thinking about shopping from cushiow.com? Hold on before you hit that buy now button. Let's take a deeper dive into what this online store is really about. cushiow.com presents itself as a go-to destination for stylish and affordable men's fashion, offering everything from shoes and casual wear to accessories. On the surface, it looks fairly legitimate. The domain has been active since April 2024. They provide both email and phone customer support, and their Facebook page shows regular product updates, which gives the impression of a functioning business. But as we look closer, there are several things that don't quite add up. First, the product reviews are overwhelmingly 5-star, with little to no variance, and many of them appear generic or suspiciously perfect, raising concerns that they might be fake or generated. Second, several buyers have reported serious issues such as receiving counterfeit products, items that don't match the photos, or even orders that never arrived. These aren't just isolated cases either. They suggest a pattern that casts doubt on the reliability of the store. And when customers have tried to reach out for help, many complain that the customer support is either unresponsive or dismissive, leaving them frustrated and out of pocket. So what's the verdict? While there's no solid proof that cushiow.com is an outright scam, the warning signs are definitely there. The lack of transparency in reviews, questionable fulfillment, and poor support should be enough to make cautious shoppers think twice. This review isn't meant to bash or promote the site. It's about giving you the full picture so you can decide for yourself. If you're someone who values peace of mind when shopping online, it might be wise to explore more trusted and proven platforms before taking a chance here.